Hey guys, I'm Greg Hardy and welcome to my channel. Imagine this. You've been diligently saving money, cutting down on expenses, and following the advice of countless financial gurus. But what if I told you that the biggest lie in personal finance is the very foundation of what you've been taught to believe? This lie could be the reason you're not achieving the financial freedom that you've dreamed of. In this video, I want to cover the shocking truth behind the biggest lie in personal finance. You've heard it from financial experts, read it in best-selling books, seen it here on YouTube, and probably have even shared it with your family and friends. While there are many lies when it comes to personal finance, I believe that the biggest lie is the belief that if you have a budget and reduce your spending, you'll be rich and financially successful. Now, I agree that having a budget is vital and trying to reduce spending is great, but it's not the magic solution that's going to guarantee you wealth and security. In fact, focusing solely on reducing your expenses can distract you from more impactful financial strategies. So let's go over why this myth persists, how it can keep you from achieving your financial goals, and what you should be focusing on instead to truly build your wealth. But before we do that, I ask that you hit that like button and also consider subscribing to this channel if you're wanting to grow your wealth. Plus, it will also allow this video to reach a wider audience and help even more people. Now let's get started. So what exactly is personal finance? Personal finance is about managing your money and making smart decisions with it. This includes planning your spending, saving money, and investing for the future. It also means handling debt, understanding insurance, and making choices that help you reach your financial goals. The aim is to have enough money for your needs now and in the future so that you feel secure and prepared. I recently did an in-depth video on personal finance that I encourage you to watch. I'll leave a link in the description or at the end of this video so that you can watch it after this one. The concept that budgeting alone will lead you to financial success is deeply ingrained in the world of personal finance. Budgeting is often presented as the be-all and end-all solution to money problems. The logic seems pretty simple. Track your income, limit your expenses, and you'll eventually save enough to achieve financial stability, right? However, this advice, while well-intentioned, oversimplifies the complexities of building wealth. First, let's consider the limitations of budgeting. Budgeting focuses on managing existing income and expenses. Now, don't get me wrong, this is essential for maintaining financial discipline, but it doesn't address how to grow your income. In today's economy, relying solely on cutting expenses can only get you so far. There's only a finite amount that you can cut, but theoretically, there's no limit to how much you can earn. In fact, a recent 2023 survey conducted by payroll.org highlighted that 78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, a 6% increase from the previous year. In other words, more than 3/4 of Americans struggle to save or invest after paying their monthly expenses. By emphasizing budgeting, many financial advisors inadvertently downplay the importance of increasing your income through career advancement, side hustles, or investments. Also, changing your behavior and mindset is just as important as budgeting because it addresses the root of financial habits. While budgeting helps you plan where your money goes, changing your behavior and your mindset ensures that you stick to that plan. Without a positive attitude towards saving and disciplined spending habits, even the best budget's going to fail. By adopting a mindset focused on financial goals and making conscious spending choices, you're more likely to stay on track and achieve long-term financial success. Furthermore, an overemphasis on budgeting can lead to a scarcity mindset. This mindset prioritizes frugality and cost-cutting over growth and opportunity. So while it's important to be mindful of spending, constantly focusing on what you can't afford can prevent you from thinking creatively about how to improve your financial situation, which can also lead to burnout as the constant pressure to cut back can be mentally and emotionally draining. A scarcity mindset can really hold you back when you're trying to increase your income. When you're stuck in this mindset, you're always focusing on what you don't have instead of looking for ways to grow. This can make you scared to take risks, like asking for a raise or applying for a better paying job, or even starting a side hustle. The fear of failure and the belief that there just isn't enough out there can keep you trapped in your current financial situation. It also stops you from seeing and grabbing opportunities. People with a scarcity mindset often miss chances to learn new skills or improve the ones that they have, which are key to moving up and earning more. They might skip out on investing in education or training because they're worried about the upfront costs, not realizing that these investments can pay off big time in the long run. So by only focusing on immediate financial struggles, they end up missing out on long-term benefits. Plus, a scarcity mindset can lead to decisions that keep you stuck in the same income bracket. For example, someone might avoid investing because they're afraid of losing money, so they keep their savings in a low-interest account. This cautious approach means that they'll miss out on higher returns that could really boost their income over time. Switching to an abundance mindset, where you believe that there are plenty of opportunities for growth, is crucial for breaking out of this cycle and making more money. Another critical aspect often overlooked by the budgeting is everything philosophy is investing. Saving money is vital, but if your savings are just sitting in a low-interest bank account, they're losing value due to inflation. Investing allows your money to grow and to work for you, creating additional income streams and capital gains. By learning about and participating in the stock market, real estate, or other investment opportunities, you can significantly accelerate your path to financial freedom. Yes, saving money is important, but it's not enough on its own to secure a comfortable retirement. Simply putting money aside without making it grow won't keep up with inflation or provide the returns needed for a substantial retirement fund. The money you save today loses value over time due to the rising cost of living, so relying only on savings can leave you with less purchasing power in the future. For example, investing allows your money to work for you by generating returns, whether through the stock market, real estate, or other opportunities. By investing in stocks, you can earn dividends and capital gains as the value of your investments increases. Over time, these returns from these investments compound, meaning that you earn interest on your interest, leading to significant growth. Real estate can provide rental income, appreciation in property value, cash flow, and tax benefits. These additional income streams can significantly accelerate your path to financial freedom. Learning about and participating in these investment opportunities can make a huge difference in building wealth over time and can ensure that your retirement funds grow enough to support you when you stop working. The biggest lie in personal finance also ignores the importance of financial literacy and education. Understanding how money works, how to manage debt, and how to leverage financial tools and products can have a far greater impact than simply budgeting and tracking and cutting your expenses. Financial education gives you the knowledge to make informed decisions, recognize profitable opportunities, and avoid common mistakes that can ruin your financial plans. In fact, financial literacy in America reveals some pretty concerning statistics. A survey by the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority showed that only about 34% of Americans could answer 4 out of 5 basic financial literacy questions correctly. Additionally, a report from the National Financial Educators Council estimated that a lack of financial literacy cost Americans over $415 billion in 2020 due to poor financial decisions. These statistics highlight a significant gap in understanding essential financial concepts, which underscores the need for better financial education to help individuals make informed decisions about saving, investing, and managing debt. For example, understanding investment options can help you grow your wealth, while knowing the terms of a loan can prevent you from getting trapped in high-interest debt. By continuously learning about personal finance, you can develop strategies that will not only help you save, but also to build and protect your wealth. This approach ensures that you are prepared for various financial challenges and opportunities, ultimately leading to a greater financial security and freedom. Maintaining a healthy relationship with money is key to achieving your financial goals. Overcoming fears and anxieties related to finances will help you make better decisions without stress holding you back. Positive reinforcement and having a growth mindset are crucial. They keep you motivated and open to learning new ways to improve your financial situation. Also, by viewing financial challenges as opportunities to grow, you can stay focused and confident in your ability to achieve financial success. While budgeting is an essential component of personal finance, it's not the ultimate solution. The biggest lie in personal finance is the belief that if you just reduce your spending, you'll be rich and it will lead to financial success. True financial freedom is a multifaceted approach, including income growth, investing, and continuous financial education. By broadening your focus beyond just budgeting and being able to cut expenses, you can create a much more robust and resilient financial strategy that will lead to a lasting wealth and security. If you want to learn more about growing your wealth, then check out this video right here. But before you do that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video and that you got something out of it. I'll see you in the next one.